How you doing? I'm Louie Gamino with Enviroscape LA. We're here at a project of ours. We're at Environmental Charter School here in Gardena, California. This is an existing pond that has been here for many years. If you notice the water right now, it's a little bit murky. What makes this pond kind of special is, well, one, it's been here for a lot of years. We came in about a year or so ago, installed the Aquaponics 3600 at the bottom, as well as a filter clear made by OASA, which is a pressure filter. So they're able to go ahead and utilize this nutrient-rich water, and the teachers use it as a teaching moment to go ahead and show the students that you can irrigate. They have a variety of sunflowers, fruit trees, bananas, as well as they utilize that water to go ahead and irrigate it. Now what we also did is they want to tie it into an aquaponics system. So right now school's out, so when school gets back in, they're going to replant this. Right now they have some strawberries left over from last season. We see the fruit here. But it's just showing the students that you can go ahead and create something with nutrient-rich water. So that water recycles back to the pond. It is a teaching moment. The teachers do like to utilize that, show students you can grow stuff, you can eat it, and they also have traditional veggie gardens here as well. But the fish load in the pond there, it does carry enough nutrients to go ahead and supply with lettuce, kale, things like that, a lot of the greens. Right now it's depleted, but they will be replanting it once school gets back in session. So just another tip, it's a project here in Gardena at a local school. They're utilizing the OASA system, creating living gardens with it, and the water will clear up here very shortly. But when you think pond sustainability, growing your own food, think Enviroscape LA.